Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss how to create free AI dubbing for your YouTube videos. On GitHub. The Sony Translate repository, shared as completely open source, can be used both personally and commercially under the Apache 2.0 license. Sony Translate, which also provides a web interface, allows you to dub your video by just providing the YouTube URL. It supports a total of 84 languages for translation, including Turkish. Let's see how we can dub a video completely free using this web application's interface. We'll do all our operations through Google Colab. If you don't have a membership, you can easily register through your Gmail account. We press the Run button on the code block to execute the initial commands. We get a warning saying this notebook wasn't created by Google. We click Run anyway and continue. The necessary repo and libraries are being downloaded and installed. This process takes about 7 minutes. After the installations are complete, you need to accept the model licenses on Hugging Face for the models used by the application. We click on the links to go to Hugging Face and accept the licenses. Since I've accepted before, I don't see the license screen, but you will. Then a token needs to be generated from Hugging Face. The most important point to note here is making sure that with access to contents of all public gated repos you can access permission is granted. Let's enter the token we created into the application and run the commands. You can also change the interface language and theme if you want. Finally, we got a Gradio link that we can use to access the interface. We can access the application through this link. At the beginning of the application, we choose the video upload method. You can either upload your video or provide a YouTube link. I'm choosing URL and providing a YouTube link to one of my videos. I specify that my uploaded video is in Turkish and leave the translation language as English. I select how many people are speaking in the video. I choose one of the male voices from the options provided by the application. I activate the active voice imitation feature so it can dub according to the intonations in the video audio. I wanted to run this feature using the OpenVoice_V2 model. Then I move to advanced settings and set the max audio acceleration to 2.4. This part will allow the audio to speed up or slow down according to the video. I set the volume original video feature to 0 so the original video's audio isn't heard. I also set the dubbing volume to 2.4. I activate the soft subtitles feature to toggle subtitles on and off. I select large V3 as the Whisper ASR model. Finally, let's determine the name and type of the file to be created. I choose MP3 since I only want to get an audio file. And I go to the top of the interface and press the Translate button to start the dubbing process. An audio file and the subtitle file were created as output. Let's download the files and listen to the audio. Hello friends. Today, we will develop an agent that opens the web browser and performs the given tasks just like an OpenAI operator using OpenAI's powerful model GPT-VO and the browser use library. Then let's check the subtitle file. We can see that the model got confused between 610 and 617 in the subtitles. Since it creates the voiceover based on this subtitle file, there will be an error in this part of the voiceover. Let's listen. Therefore, using element directly from the command line let's delete this part and save it, then give the application the new version of the file and ask it to voice it again. Let's check our new audio file. Alima only works on the command line. Finally, let's open the iMovie application and add our obtained audio file to our video. Let's separate and delete the original video's audio using the Detach Audio feature. Let's align our new dubbing audio with the video and export it. As a result, we now have an English version of our Turkish video. If you like the content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.